Alright, now Samsung has been doing great when it comes to customization features on its default applications. And recently, Samsung added some customizations for browser as well. We can tap on this button here to tap on change wallpaper to add some beautiful featured wallpapers and the wallpapers from the gallery. And they have got some fantastic featured collections here. Now, if you're someone who is using Chrome browser, Chrome has been lacking this customization feature, but now that has changed. You're going to love this customization feature which Google just added on Chrome. Let me open Chrome here. You see this, it has got this beautiful wallpaper in the background and it also has got this green theme right here. You can see, I'm not sure whether the camera is doing the justice. There is a theme applied on Chrome right now and it actually looks fantastic. Let me show you where exactly this new feature is and how it works. Let me tap on the three dot button. You can see that green theming here on this menu as well. I can tap on customize new tab page. Now this is something which was already there and you can see we have got my shortcuts, new tab page cards, discover feed, and we also have appearance tab right over here. Let me just increase the brightness here. You can see appearance tab. I'll tap on appearance. Here we go. We have got custom default option, upload an image option, Chrome colors, theme collections. When I tap on Chrome colors, you will get these color options for theming. Let me just tap on this pink. Let's see how it looks here. Look at this. This is the pinkish theme here. And let's change this to maybe blue. Look at this. This is the blue color. When you tap on the menu options here, you will see that blue tint. And you can also see that blue tint here on this page here. Now let's go back. Let's tap on theme collections and look at this. You've got 6 different categories here. Landscapes, architecture, earth, patterns, illustrations, gradients. Let me tap on illustrations. We've got 4 of them, very limited in number, but they actually look beautiful. Let me select this and show you how it looks. Look at that. That is the background wallpaper on Chrome, which actually look beautiful. And all these contents float on this wallpaper. That makes it very cool here. Now, let me just change this again. Let's go to customize, appearance, theme collections. Let's go to earth. You've got about 5 different wallpapers here for earth. And the best part is you can enable this toggle here to refresh these wallpapers. It will automatically change daily, which is an incredible feature. Let's go back. We've got gradients. Let me select a gradient here. Look at this. Looks fantastic, isn't it? Now let me show you the patterns here. We've got about 5 patterns and we also have architecture, about 5 wallpapers here. And they all look fantastic, guys. Actually, I'm in love with this customization feature which Google has added on Chrome. Let me go back. Even for theme colors, we can enable refresh daily. And you can also upload an image. Let's say you want to add an image from your gallery. You can do that as well. Let me just select an image here. I'll select this one and tap on done. And you can also pinch to resize this image. Look at this. This is advanced customization for Chrome application. Let me tap on save. And this is how it looks. Beautiful, isn't it? You can add your own wallpaper from the gallery for customizing the background on Chrome. Those are some customization options that we have. Apart from that, we also have my shortcuts option here. You can keep it on or off. You can customize the new page cards. You can enable continue with this tab, safety check, Chrome tips, etc. All that you can disable if you don't want. And you can also enable or disable the discovery feed. And you can also manage your feed on the card. You can tap on activity to change or select the activity that you want. You can see today I have got about 58 cards in the feed. Yesterday there were about 113 cards in the feed. All this can be tracked right over here. And you can also tap on interests to customize what you're following. Let me tap on following. You can see I've got 9 to 5 Google, Apple, INC, Australia National Cricket Team. All this I'm following here. So you can customize this as well. You can also go through the not interested page right over here. So all those customization we did have, and now appearance is a brand new tab which is available on Chrome and you are going to love this. But I don't think you will be ditching the Samsung browser for this customization feature. But if you're a fan of Chrome, you are going to love this. Now let me show you the version number here. This is the beta version that I have, Chrome beta. You can enroll yourself on Chrome beta on the Google Play Store. But even if you have a stable version, you would have already got this feature. Let me show you the version number. It's 152.0.7977.8. That is the all new version. And if you're not seeing this feature on your stable version, wait for it. You will be getting it very soon. It's rolling out in phases. That's about it. If you love this wallpaper, it's available on Volvo's wallpaper application. Yesterday, we added some Star Wars wallpapers suggested by one of our users. Do go ahead and check them out. And there are beautiful video wallpapers, collections, and depth clock wallpapers. You are going to love all of them. Do go ahead, check it out. The wallpaper link, the app link is in the description. And yeah, we also added some brand new wallpapers on the premium section for the desktop. You can check them out as well. That's about it. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.